Welcome back to The Charismatic Voice. Today I'm going to be reacting again to the sensational 15-year-old Diana Ankudinova. And this will be her performance of Blizzard from the show You Are Super. Now, Diana has one of the most unusual colors I've ever heard in the voice of a 15-year-old. She's a true contralto. And I'm really looking forward to hearing her again, so let's get started.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишину сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
Wow, wow, wow. It doesn't get old. Her tone quality, every time I hear it, just really grabs me. It's like it like grasps you. You feel spellbound. I love this like primal and throaty, but it sounds so dangerous too, right? It's a unique experience. I love the power that she started the song with. It was even not completely sung. It was going in between whispers and singing, but it was so powerful. That takes a total stage animal to really accomplish. She's brilliant. She just is born to be on stage. Yeah, duh. Push your button.
В тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты.
Ah.
Саваном белым вьюга, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
That was there's a big buildup that's about to happen. I'm going to have to rewind it a little bit to catch that really well. But I'm really loving the sensitivity she's bringing into her upper voice. It just felt like it really fit with the song. Everything transitioned, so it was a little bit higher, a little bit thinner in the texture that was accompanying her. And I liked the way she came in head voice, sort of more of a top-down approach there. Really, really sensitive and smart, because she has so much weight in her lower voice. If you really, really truck that all up, it's just not going to be the right tone quality. And instead she flipped and did top down. Really smart girl. Ooh, they're so good. I love everything about this performance. I love the staging of it. I like that it feels bare, but you see the snow coming down and the spotlight. Even her clothing is really amazing. It's so Whoever, this show in particular tends to have really incredible stage presentations of song, which I love, 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 love that. I want to go back and catch a couple things. I wanted to check some of her low notes because she's pounding a lot of power through some very, very low notes. A lot of people can actually sing low notes, but they can't sing them with the amount of power and tone quality that she's got. So let's go back. I'm just going to come, I want to hear that. We're going to go back to the beginning. Is that okay? So I really want to hear it all again. She sounds scared even, but she's not.
Не уснуть в доме пустом.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love the way she added more vibrato at the end. It sounded like there was some anxiety coming up that she's building up inside of her. Not that she's scared to be performing. She doesn't seem ever scared on stage. Instead, she just looks like she funnels all of the energy around her into this like explosive performance. But listen to what she does with the vibrato. It's so cool. Like it. Yeah, it's really, I don't know what she was saying, but I imagine it's something about that, like the way it's hitting you in the heart. So she's down on an F. That's a really low note to be putting that much sound through, and I think she sung some lower ones as well. You don't see a lot of people really driving that much voice through, and she's young, really, really young, to have power in the low notes the way that she does. Right, that was a great flip. So if you listen to that, she's all a chest voice, chest voice, chest voice, and then she goes up to a high note. Here you go. It's cool. Oh, wow. She even looks like her eyes are watering at that point. It's so emotional. Look, if we even catch back a little bit. Look at her eyes. I think they've got like a little bit of watering. Wow. She's such a sincere performer. I love that far off it. Yeah, they're in love. Me too. Oh, it's great. It's really great. That was powerful. It was spellbinding. There aren't enough words to describe her. Bewitching, mesmerizing, primal. That all of these words try to describe her voice, but you can't describe the way that it feels like she casts a spell on you and something else that's not even of this world happens. It's amazing. And it's not just her amazing vocal quality, it's also the way she channels this energy, she draws it all in, and then it just, she can naturally express it with so much intensity on stage. It's completely extraordinary. Guys, thank you so much for your recommendations. I love getting to listen to and watch Diana Ankudinova, and I would love to hear more of your recommendations. So keep sounding off below in the comments. And also, I would love to meet you on Mondays and Fridays at 8 a.m. Arizona time. I have premieres, and there is a live chat room where you can come and say hi. So if you want to make sure you don't miss out on that, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks.